Welcome our Cookies TV.
Hi friends, welcome to our Cookies TV. So today, let's open a Nickelodeon slime kit. Are you gonna open Nickelodeon slime kit?
Yeah, I'm gonna take that.
Yeah, let's get all these pieces out. Let's set it out.
Oh, my blue one.
Yeah, good job. So let's set this piece together. Mixie, we put.
Can I
so
give
this
you
is for the mixing, and we get some stickers with us.
Mixie's open? Open Mixie's.
Okay. This is the measuring cup, the plastic spoon. This is the sticks. Yeah. So we have slime activator, 2 slime activators. We have a clear slime glue, white slime glue, 2 white slime glues. This one. So we have the activator, the slime activators, the slime clear glue, and the slime white slime. Okay, clear slime glue. So let's put these clear slime glue on a 15, and I measure. I'm gonna put this white glue into the mixer now. Now I'm going to put 30 ml water. I want the unicorn one, so let's put a spoon of blue paint in it. And we need green color to make the unicorn. Now mix. You can mix now. The last step is to put the slime activator. 5. Now the last step is to put the slime activator, and it's 5 ml. So now I put the 5 ml activator. Now it's time to mix. Faster. If you do it, the faster you mix it, the better your slime will be.
It's getting smaller.
Okay, mix fast.
Let's be slowly. It's trying to slowly mix it.
So I made this blue slime with glitter. Now. So
Balloons in the bay!
So look. So now it's kind of getting a little stickier than before. So we need it a little more. So let's get it some off the stick.
It's sticky. Yay!
So I got it off of first I need to do a little more to make it. So he mixes, and then I do.
It's not purple.
And then I put the sticker on the can, and then I close it.
I'm gonna put down.
I'm making it.
I'm gonna put this.
You mix it.
I take this. I'm gonna put here.
No, you make this white slime. I need it.
Oops. It's working. It's energy. Oh, it's not coming.
So this is a little Nickelodeon slime. So we made a golden glitter slime, a blue glitter slime, purple glitter slime, and pink glitter slime. And we made lots of glitters. Look how gooey it is. So we made all of these slimes now. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.